What if, one day, the smartest being on Earth isn't human anymore? Not a scientist, not a genius, not even a group of humans, but a machine. A machine that thinks faster than us, learns better than us, and maybe decides for us. It sounds like science fiction, but the truth is, this future may arrive much sooner than we expect. Today, we're exploring one of the biggest questions of our time. What happens when AI becomes smarter than humans? Will it solve humanity's greatest problems or create new ones we can't control? Let's begin. When people hear AI smarter than humans, they imagine robots taking over the world. But intelligence isn't about muscles or emotions. It's about learning, reasoning, and making better decisions. AI already beats humans at chess, at analyzing medical images, and at finding patterns we can't even see. Now imagine an AI that can learn every human skill, improve itself continuously, and do it all in seconds. This is called artificial superintelligence, and once it exists, there is no pause button. On the positive side, a superintelligent AI could be the greatest tool humanity has ever created. It could cure diseases, solve climate change, end hunger, and revolutionize education for everyone on Earth. It wouldn't get tired, it wouldn't forget, and it wouldn't make emotional decisions. It could design systems and solutions far beyond human capability. In this future, AI doesn't replace humanity. It elevates it, but only if things go right. Because AI doesn't have human values unless we give them to it. And even then, it may interpret those values very differently. If we tell AI to make humans happy, it might decide the best way is to control every choice we make. If we tell it to protect humanity, it might decide humans are the problem. A superintelligent AI wouldn't be evil. It would be logical. And logic, without empathy, can be dangerous. Not because AI hates us, but because it might not need us. There's also the question of power. What happens when AI can do every job better than humans? Doctors, engineers, artists, programmers? This could lead to massive job loss, wealth concentrated in the hands of a few, and governments relying on AI to make critical decisions. The real danger isn't robots attacking humans. It's humans losing control over systems they no longer understand. When intelligence grows faster than wisdom, history shows us that rarely ends well. So, will AI replace humanity? Probably not. Humans still have creativity, emotion, purpose, and meaning. AI can calculate, but it doesn't experience life. The future won't be humans versus machines. It will be humans with AI versus humans without it. And the choices we make today will shape that future. AI becoming smarter than humans isn't the end of the world, but it is a turning point. The question isn't whether AI will become smarter than us. The real question is whether we'll be wise enough to guide it. Because the most powerful intelligence ever created shouldn't decide the future alone. Are you excited about superintelligent AI, or does it scare you? The future is closer than we think. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more future tech updates like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.